Now we look at a concept called power of the lens, which we have already seen in case of mirrors, and here the same concept is valid, the reciprocal of focal length in meters. Focal length is called power of the lens. Power of the lens. This is a definition, and coming to the units, so power has to be taken as 1 by f when f is in meters. F is in meters. So when f is taken in meters, the unit comes out to be diopter. So diopter is the unit for power of the lens. If at all, generally the focal lengths are given in centimeters. That is the reason we generally take 100 divided by f if at all f is given in centimeters. In such case, obviously it will get converted into meters only. So diopter is going to be the unit for this. So this is the power of the lens. And now if at all two lenses, so here one point you need to remember, two lenses of focal lengths. These are the few additional points you need to remember. Two lenses of focal lengths f1 and f2 are separated by a distance, d. So you can see the case, here is one lens, here is the other lens, and of course the sign convention you have to take, sir. Sign convention says for convex lens the power is going to be positive, and for concave lens it is going to be negative. And let us say here I am taking f1 and f2. So the resultant focal length comes out to be 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 minus d by f1 f2. So this is a formula where you can calculate. And one more thing, if they are separated by a distance d and the combination acts as a parallel slab, a glass slab of parallel sides, then the d can be f1 plus f2. So that is the case when two lenses are separated by a distance such that it acts as a parallel glass slab. So in that case you are using this formula. And moreover, if a lens is cut into pieces, for example, if I cut this into the pieces, you will be getting one piece of this kind, the other piece of this kind. So it is going to be 2f. The focal length is going to be 2f. So the focal length, when it is in a joined condition, it is f. But when you divide into two halves, it becomes 2f. And again, if you join them back in different ways, like this, if you are joining like this, then again the focal length is going to be f. Or if you join like this, still it is remaining to be same. So you are joining like this, still it is remaining to be same. You are joining like this, still it is f. And you are joining in the reverse way also, it is going to be same. That means if you are joining the lenses in this manner also, it is going to be same. So nothing is going to affect however you join the pieces. So here also it is going to be f. So these are the few points you need to remember. But as far as our curriculum is concerned, we need to remember about the power of the lens. That's it. And these are all the additional information which you can just look into.